Ben Mullins here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozark. I'm standing in front of this 2024 Saxdor 270 that we just got in. Beautiful boat. You can see here it is equipped with a bow thruster. It is powered by twin Mercruiser 200s. Let's climb aboard and check out the interior. As you can see, the twin V6s here. As we climb aboard, wide boarding area. Got the doors here, board on either side. We have deep storage here, deep storage on the other side. The seat does move around and adjust a little bit here. We have the flip down table, so you can host and have a beautiful day on the lake. Here, climb up to the helm station. You can see it does have the bow thruster here. You have the trim tab control, light features, and it does have the Simrad screen. Let me adjust this seat for you. So like I said, the table is there. You could sit on either side of the table. Climb up into the bow area here. These cushions are removable if you did decide you wanted to fish out the front leisurely. Or you can use it as a sun pad going down the lake. Let's climb down into the cabin here. Turn some lights on. So as you can see, wide entry here. Easy come into the cabin. Little area to rest, get out of the sun. This is equipped with a sink and a head unit. So lots of nice features, lots of options. This boat does have dual refrigerators. So I'm gonna climb back out. I'll show you fridge on this side, and then there's also a fridge on the other side. For more questions, you can call us at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, 573-606-3022. We look forward to getting you out on the water.